Good morning, everyone. In last lecture, we have discussed about substitution reactions SN1, SN2, and SNR, intramolecular nucleophilic substitution. And we have solved few problems of SN1 and SN2 reactions. So we have seen some differences between SN1 and SN2 and respect to SNI mechanisms and Argent's reaction. Today, let me explain about neighboring group participation in detail. Regarding neighboring group participation. Or simply we call it as NGP. Whenever there is some neighboring group participation in substitution reactions, we can see there is a sudden increase in rate of reaction than expected. So maybe 1000 times or 10,000 times or 10 power 10 times and so on. So whenever there is increase in rate of reaction than expected, we can expect there is some neighboring group participation. So let me say that. So whenever there is NGP, there is increase in rate of reaction than expected. Along with that, and there will be some retention in configuration is observed. And the retention in configuration at a chiral center is observed. Right. Now, how a neighboring group involved in participation of substitution reactions? So there may be either a lone pair of electrons or free electrons which can be donated, or some negative charge, that means some excess of electrons, or there may be a pi bond involvement. In some cases there may be some sigma bond involvement, particularly in case of non-Bohrnite systems to form non-classical cations. Sigma bond participation is observed. So to see neighboring group participation, there may be lone pair of electrons by neighboring group. Lone pair of electrons by neighboring group. This is the case where you can find NGP, or involvement of pi bonded electrons. Involvement of pi bond, or sometimes there may be involvement of sigma bond. In some cases there is involvement of sigma bond. So these are the conditions where we can observe neighboring group participation. During neighboring group participation, there is possibility of some ring structure. Maybe a 5-member ring or 3-member ring or some 6-member ring or any member ring of any different sizes. And donor systems like sulfides means maybe possessing lone pair of electrons. Sulfur is having lone pair of electrons, it can donate. So maybe sulfides, esters, carboxylates, ethers, halides, and amines. So they are the systems which can donate lone pair of electrons, forming some ring structures, maybe 5-membered ring, 3-membered rings. Generally 5-membered rings are more stable than 3-membered rings, they are approximately equal or slightly more in stability. So 5-membered rings or 3-membered rings, or you may get sometimes 6-membered rings or other membered rings of different sizes. Right? Generally 5-membered rings are more stable than 3-membered, than 6-membered, and so on. So whenever there is some lone pair of electrons in the neighboring group that involve in donation of the lone pair to form some cyclic structure, then we can observe there is some neighboring group participation, and hence the rate of reaction will be high and there will be retention and configuration. So let me see some example. Let me consider it as example 1. We will see some examples, some 5 or 6 examples. Right. So if you take some system, so this is a war gas used in World War II. Right. Now, as a sulfur has a lone pair of electrons, that sulfur can donate lone pair of electrons in SN2 way by replacing one chlorine system. So this is nothing but SN2 mechanism, because lone pair is donated from downward and chlorine is lost from upward. That means both are in opposite systems. So Cl minus is lost. Of course, this reaction occurs very fast. So this reaction occurs very fast because substitution, lone pair donating system is within the molecule. Now this leads to formation of a product. That respective product is chlorine, a remaining system as it is, but you will get a 3-membered ring here, because this sulfur donated lone pair, you may get a positive charge over the sulfur as it is donating the lone pair. Now if you take some external nucleophile now, so I am taking water, hydrolysis reactions. So if you take water as a nucleophile, then this hydrogen donate lone pair of electrons over this carbon, or this carbon, any carbon you can assume, either here or here. So if this is donating lone pair of electrons, immediately this bond will be shifted back to sulfur, so it loses that positive charge. This leads to formation of this product. So you will get a lone pair here, and of course H plus will be lost, giving some alcohol system here. Now you can observe involvement of NGP for the next chlorine system also. So the same thing is repeated here, and this leads to formation of again intermediate, followed by reaction of with water where H plus ion is lost, and then you will finally get again some alcoholic system. This is the reason we can say in case of war gases like Westron or Vestazole, water acts as a nucleophile, so water will nullify the effect of such poisonous gases in most of the cases. Of course, there are some cases where water acts as an more catalyzing agent. In most of the cases, poisonous gases, water is a solution for it. Now, coming to this, if you take another example, if you go for some other systems, for example, if you go for beta chloro sulfides, which are hydrolyzed. So beta chlorosulfides are hydrolyzed. And this is also same, alpha beta. This is also, this is sulfur, this is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon. So this is also beta chlorosulfide system. So when beta chlorosulfide systems are hydrolyzed in aqueous dioxane, right, a reaction will be 10,000 times faster than its either analog. Right. Now let me check this. So if I have considered this, some substituent, let me consider a chiral system here instead of a chiral systems. Let me consider a chiral system here. Right. So this is chiral carbon. Now, when this leads to NGP, this lone pair of electrons are donated here, and this Cl minus is lost. Then respective product will be you will get a 3-membered ring, and you will get positive charge here. You get a 3-membered ring and a positive charge here. So this is the chiral system. Now this leads to formation of some alcohol when water is acting as a nucleophile. H plus will be lost. Now water will be donating lone pair of electrons to the system instead of the earlier one, because in earlier case both the carbons are similar, so you can donate lone pair of electrons on any system, but here you cannot donate lone pair of electrons to any other, because this positive charge is contributed to both the carbon centers. You will get partial positive here as well as partial positive here, whereas this is a tertiary and this is secondary, which is where tertiary is more stable, so oxygen donate lone pair of electrons to the system. Now this leads to formation of product. So respective product is sulfur got its lone pair of electrons back, and this lead to formation of product OH group here. Now here this is SN2 reaction, here again this is SN2 reaction, because the lone pair is donated from here and this bond has been shifted in the other direction. This bond got shifted here, right? So during SN2 we already know that during SN2 reaction there will be Walden inversion. So here Walden inversion in the first step, and in the second step also there is another Walden inversion. So two simultaneous inversions lead to formation of a retention in configuration. So chiral centers configuration remains same, or if you want you can check it also by using CIP rules. So by taking priority order, here chlorine will be given priority, so 1 2 3, right? So they are in 1 2 3, they are all in anti-clockwise direction. So we will check whether the least priority group hydrogen, whether it is above the plane or below the plane. Based upon that we can fix whether it is R configuration or S configuration. As such we will go for conclusion. So this is what happens when there is some lone pair donor at beta position forming a 3-membered ring. So in both cases we formed a 3-membered ring, right? Next, coming to the next case. So here important thing we need to remember is 2 successive inversions leads to retention in configuration. Retention in configuration is due to 2 successive inversions. Right. That means 2 successive inversions means 2 successive SN2 steps. That leads to retention in configuration. Right. So we have already seen this such type of retention in configuration in SNI mechanism also. Just I am reminding, this retention is also observed. This is also observed when alcohols are allowed to react. When alcohols are allowed to react with thionyl chloride in presence of ether. So forming alkyl halides. This is SMI mechanism. Already we discussed it. So such retention is observed in this case also. Here this is retention because of 2 successive inversions. There it is a retention due to intramolecular substitution. Right. Here neighboring group participation, whereas earlier one is this SNI mechanism is intramolecular nucleophilic substitution. Right. Both are different, but in both cases you will get retention. Now coming to another example, let me take another example. Whenever we have taken some cyclic systems, so let me go for it as example 3. Let me take a cyclic system. For example, we have taken 1,2 disubstituted systems. 1,2 disubstituted cyclohexane derivatives. So whenever we observe such derivatives in which NGP is involved, right? So this NGP is observed if and only if the groups are anti to each other. Anti to each other. That means they must be diaxial. If it is not diaxial, we have to go for some flipping of the ring to make that groups as diaxial systems. Let me see an example. So I have taken a cyclohexane. So we discussed that it must be diaxial. So there is some group here having OH group which is having some lone pair of electrons, 2 lone pair of electrons. Now here it is chlorine, right? So as oxygen is donating lone pair of electrons, this chlorine goes out of the system, right? So this oxygen is donating lone pair and this chlorine leaves this position. So nothing but SN2 path, right? Now if you have taken NaOH, if you have taken base NaOH, then there is some sort of a small modification. If I have taken sodium